Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the Butterbear Island Adventure Pass in Heartopia. So let's press start here. So basically you will need to activate it to get the premium pass. So to activate, you're just going to select activate here. And then here's where you can activate it. So you will need 180 of the diamond hearts, heart diamond. What is it called? Actually, I don't know what it's called. Okay, the heart diamond. And basically, you will get more cookies, and at the end, you might get it back, like the heart diamond. You might get the heart diamond back if you get the pass. So I think it's a good way to get the pass if you get the heart diamond back. I'm not sure though if I want to. But that is how you can get the pass. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.